everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. Today we're opening up a brand new box to our channel, and it's a snack box, Turkish Munchies. So it's absolutely an international snack box. I'm so excited to see what's inside, and I'm kind of hungry, so I'm like super stoked. So I will link them down below. I was just looking at their website to double check pricing and everything, and they have multiple subscription plans starting at $14.95. This was kindly sent to me free for review, so I'm not exactly sure which box they sent, but I'm so excited to see because they all look so good. They have one box that has a game included as well, and I freaking love games. I don't know if you guys know that. Maybe you do. I've talked to you about like trivia and stuff before, but I love games in general. So I don't know if I got that one, but I think that's super cool either way that they offer that, but you can get just a snacks only box as well, and they have a bunch of different varieties. So yeah, I will link them down below. I didn't peek yet. Let me get this open and see what we got in Turkish Munchies. How are you guys, by the way? I got this box like right before I left for Alabama, which was so fun, by the way. So I didn't get a chance to open it, so I'm so excited. I kind of was glad to wait though, because I knew I wouldn't need groceries and food when I got back. Yeah. Let's see what we got. I mean, it's a box for you. This is like the perfect size for him. Ooh, so cute. Oh, and it has nutrition in the back, which is really convenient and nice. How cute is that? It's like a little monster eating it. So, Turkish Munchies by Munchies. I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. Let's get this part open now. I'm so excited. I don't know if I've ever had Turkish snacks. Maybe. I love international snack boxes. I love trying new food, new things. This box is so freaking cute. And they're just staring at me. So here is this. It has all the nutrition facts. This is probably all the options. Maybe all that's in there. Wow. And it lists all the ingredients. So super awesome if you're someone who has allergies or just, you know, wants to know what's in your food. Oh, there's more. This is definitely well packaged. Just a little tape. Got it. Yeah, it looks like there's a lot in there. I'm so excited. So, how to read the hints. So is this the game one? Wait. Oh my god, I don't know what kind this is yet. Look how much stuff is in here. So how to read the hints. Oh, they give you, the hints are like what it's best with. And then there's a little thing here, you can score the treats so you remember what you like the best. And they give you a little description. There's so much on here, oh my gosh. But I love how they give you all this information, look how much stuff. So this must just be like their general box. Let's get started. Right on top. Well, here, let me show you how much is in here. Like this. It's like she hears the sound. Emmy, come here. Everyone wants to see your cute face. She's in her tree in that little like bowl. So cute. Ooh, onion and cheese. I think this looks really good. Yeah, it's called. I looked on the back. It has a onion and cheese crackers. I love onion and cheese stuff. I didn't eat carbs for like 25 days, and now I'm having some again. So like this will be nice to have like, you know, in moderation. So this is perfect. I have like one treat a day. Let's get real, I'll have more than that. But next we have the Badam crackers. How about we look and, we're not gonna read the description for each one, but how about we just see what it says for this one, or for a few. I feel like I haven't talked a lot in a while. I don't know, I feel like my voice is weird. Sorry if it is. It says, if you're into time travel, here's a trip back to the 90s. In every bite, we go back to our childhood, eating these crackers whenever we need a quick bite while playing games with our friends. Due to its almond shape, it's named this way. Oh, this might be like the space-themed one. I don't see it listed on here, but I remember seeing that on their page and looking at all the items and the cover. It's like the space themed one, which yeah, they have like a celebrity themed one. I think I saw. There's a few different themes, so it's really cool. More than a few. They have like at least 6, I think. So, and I freaking love space. Next we have Probus. See if I can tell anything else. This looks so good, like cookie with chocolate in the middle. Oh my god, yum. So good. Yeah, there's protein in it too. And then we have this little like cream puff. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce everything because yeah. Ooh, this is caramel in it. Magma. Dancake Magma Carmelli. Magma cake, is this one of those? Yeah. Earthquakes and volcano eruptions will soon to be redefined phenomena after you feel cake quakes and caramel eruptions. This piece of goodness creates on your own taste buds. This looks so good. I might have to have this for dessert later. Then we have like some goldfish, looks like. Yeah, look how cute that is. Nice. Oh my god, there's so much in here. Ooh, look at this little thing. Man, look at the front. I love little faces. It's a little puff, a wrinkly puff. It has marshmallow in it. So cute. Oh my god, here's another little face. What's this? I'm like acting like I'm gonna be able to read it, but it looks like a pastry with like some sprinkles on it, or a cookie, I should say. Let's read this one too. I kind of like there's little space descriptions. Oh, I think are there 2 in here? They show a picture. Maybe there's just a variety of flavors you could get. The classic one. Sin means genie in English. Many Turkish people have a superstition that the word sin calls for bad souls, and they never use the word sin in their daily lives, like you know who in Harry Potter. He who must not be named. Turkish people call sin as a 3-letter entity. Oh, replacement for CIN, which accounts for 3 letters in total. Ooh, so this is like a bad word, sin. I mean, that makes sense, like sin in English, S-I-N. Ooh, learn something new. Kind of want to like read all of these, but this is ice cream burger. Oh, it's like a little wafer. Does it have ice cream flavors in it? Ooh, I want some ice cream. Let's see if I can find this one. This is the most fundamental piece of snack in Turkey, the kagit helva. It was invented in the 1400s, over 600 years ago in Turkey. It means paper halfa or wafer and is widely consumed in Turkey. If you have it plain, you will most probably find it stale and dry. It is invented to sandwich ice cream. Go ahead and cut it in half, stack the ice cream on the lower layer in the sandwich, and sandwich the other half on top of it. Oh, so you add your own ice cream. Cool. Next we have some Crispies. Bahara. I wish I knew how to pronounce all these correct. This looks pretty good though. This is somewhere on here. Okay, I won't read all these, but this one I do want to read and then we'll just keep going. Oh, maybe this is a surprise. There's a mystery snack in here. There's so much in here. We still have a lot to go. Okay, what flavor do you think this is? Minty? I don't know. I like these kind of things though. Next up, we have freeze-dried fruit thing. What kind of fruit is that? That looks really cool. You guys, there's so much in here I don't know about. Like, and I'm so excited that they gave us some information on it. And you can scan right here and get more. But this is like a squeezable thing. Cream. Cocoa spread with hazelnut. That sounds so good. I love hazelnut. Look at that little guy. Nice. And by Greta, we have these crackers. It looks like there's olive flavoring, olive oil. I freaking love olives so much. Going to Europe really made me feel that way too. We have some candies here like Chews by Kent. Looks like they're cherry flavored. Sorry for my band-aid. It's probably annoying to look at. I was bringing my big luggage back when I got home from Alabama, and my nail like cracked in the middle. It was like kind of bleeding through, and I need to go and get it redone. But my nails aren't bad yet. I don't want to go, and I'm afraid it'll snap off and hurt even more. Nuts party mix, cheddar and onion, onion. I like cheddar and onion flavored things. I'm excited for those. And then we have these crackers here. It looks like there's like a vanilla center. We have two little things here. Let's look at this one first. Oh, it must be sour. Look at the face. And then another one, but like that one was red, maybe cherry. This one looks orange. Maybe this will be what I have for dessert first. Biscolata Mood Caramel Macchiato. This looks so good. Oh my gosh. That's mood. This is a mood. Oh my god, that looks so freaking good. Does it have the little Cupid thing on it? This is giving me throwbacks to something in childhood, and I can't pinpoint it right now. But this looks so good. Biscuit with caramel macchiato cream filling. Ooh. Cat tat. Ooh, there's more, a hazelnut filled thing. This is like my jam. I love stuff like this. Yeah, we have two more things. Oh my god, this looks really good too. Harvey. It has like, oh, this reminds me of something too. There's like a biscuit, some caramel, and some chocolate. Yum. Oh my god, so good. And the last thing looks really good too. Is this hazelnut as well? Ooh, I love hazelnut stuff. This is so perfect. Hasbees or something like wafers with hazelnut cream filling. Oh my god, you guys, this is so good. I think I'm more into like the sweeter things. Maybe that's just because I have a sweet tooth and I haven't had many sweets recently. Oh my god, like there's so much stuff in here. There's like so many snacks. This will last a little while. Even if you have a family of like 5, I feel like this would be great to like put in your school lunches or I guess camp. I don't know, whatever kids do in the summers and stuff. This looks so good. I can't get over it. This caramel thing too looks. Look how much stuff we just opened. So many snacks. Awesome, and I'm glad I made that connection that this seems to be their space one. But I'll link them down below and you can check out all of their boxes. I think this is like so cute that they're all on theme, and I love that they give us little, you know, information and stuff. If you're into time travel. Yeah, this looks awesome, and you can rate them and go and purchase more just to remember. So yeah, awesome. And oh yeah, I just realized, so it says pairs with, and it shows you here on here what it pairs best with. Sorry for my coffee, milk, tea. One looks like it's nice tea or something. Oh, cold beverage. I think that's so cool. See all that on the side, all that information. Awesome. This was super fun to open. It's going to be even more fun to eat. What would you eat first? Leave a comment down below. Can't wait to hear from you. I hope you guys are well. Again, check out Turkish Munchies down below. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. Do something special for yourself today. I love you guys. You deserve it. And yeah, that's it. I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye.